Hi there, this is KHADER Electronics Made Easy. Recently I have been to Richie Street in Chennai where from a junk seller I bought these things. The first one is a computer speaker which is probably dead. The second one is a joystick. I'm not sure even if this is working. Today we're going to see what we can do with the speaker. Let's see.
So this is the speaker got, and as you can see it's broken already, and it has a power control here, push to on push to off switch, a volume control. There's also a headphone jack. So there are three wires coming out from this, and one is this mains cable, one is this audio 3.5 mm jack, and the last one is this two wires, open wires. So these probably would be going to the second speaker, which is not there. So I found it in this way. It's only a single speaker, so it's already open. We'll see what's inside. So there's a 4 ohm 3 watt speaker, and there's a transformer. So it's a 9 volt 0.2 amp transformer. By the way, I got this speaker for only about 70 rupees. So if you take into account the amount of things it has, this transformer itself costs about 50 to 60 rupees. The speaker costs about 40 rupees. So that itself is a profit for us. And if you see closely here, there's no connection for this. Probably there should be another wire which is connected to this. And I think this wire, yeah, this is the wire which probably goes to this speaker. So we'll solder this and we'll test the speaker. And as you can see, it's pretty broken. There are even open connections here. I don't know, probably they removed it or it was repaired once. So we won't remove this circuit first. We'll just solder this wire to this and then test it back again.
So here I have soldered the wire to the speaker. Now let's test it. So first we'll connect this main socket into the mains and switch on it. Then we'll connect the 3.5mm jack to something like this phone. Now we'll start playing some song. First we'll play from the phone and see the volume. This is the volume from the phone. Let's connect the earphones. So while trying to make the holes for this transformer, I accidentally broke the whole case, so I had to stick it with epoxy again. And so this transformer will fit here, somewhere there, little inside, and will sit there. And I have also connected, I have also stuck a small piece of tape over open wires to avoid short circuits. And now I'll keep the speaker on this. It fits like this. A few gaps here and there. Probably we'll stick that with epoxy and we'll clean it. And before that, I would also like to stick this transformer there, here like this, to avoid any movement of the transformer here and there. So I'll stick this transformer and then stick the case over the top, and I'll get back to you. So in this, one important thing you forgot to notice is that we removed the right speaker wire, right? But what happens to the right channel which is coming from the mobile or any other music player to the system? It's left open. So we'll be missing the music or the song which is playing in the right channel. So for that, what we should do is, this is the wire which is coming from the right channel, and I removed it slowly from the PCB. And now what we'll do is we'll connect a 47k resistor from this right channel wire to here, this point. So if you see here the red wire, there is a resistor. It's a 47k resistor going to this point. So for the same thing, what I'll do is I'll connect this 47k resistor replacement. So this is a 33k resistor connected to a 12k resistor. That's around 45k, close to 47k resistor. So I'll connect this from this right channel to this point. So this resistor connection will play the music from the right channel into the amplifier, so we won't miss the music played in the right signal. And I'll connect this, I'll solder the resistor to this, solder to this point, insulate it, and I'll seal the box. So here I have connected the two resistors in series and kind of soldered to that point, and I have covered this whole thing with sellotape or any other insulation tape so that it will insulate the connections. Now I'll close this box. Fits perfectly without any gaps. Yeah, and I found a small screw which can fit exactly into this hole. So the bottom one is broken, bottom connection, but the top one is alright. So I'll fix this screw on the one side. So that's fine on one side, and the other side we can use some epoxy or something to stick this. Now for the final test. First we'll switch on the speaker and then test how it works. So the speaker works great. Now let's check if the speaker is compatible with the laptop also, which is here. Now connect the speaker to the laptop. And start playing the video. First we'll check the volume of the laptop without the speaker. This is the original volume. Seems really faint, right? Now let's connect the speaker. So that was about the speaker, which we had to give it a new look. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, and thanks for watching.